English Hindi. How much does cost?
की कीमत कितनी है?
Welcome. This episode is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Learn smart, laugh often. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more resources. Picture this. You spot a shiny watch, point like a detective, and ask the magic line.
की कीमत कितनी है?
The price tag gasps, your wallet does a happy wiggle, and you stay cool. That's today's superpower. Your goal today. You'll master one power question and say it naturally, with rhythm and confidence. Goal. Ask how much does cost? In Hindi using
की कीमत कितनी है?
plus friendly variants.
का दाम कितना है?
And very colloquial.
कितने का है?
Pronunciation drill. Warm up your mouth, light, bouncy, friendly. Echo after me. Slow and clear.
की कीमत कितनी है?
Focus word for price.
कीमत.
कीmat. Beat it out. कीmat kitni high.
कीमत कितनी है?
Clap clap, snap. Colloquial.
का दाम कितना है?
Dom like palm. Quick fire.
कितने का है?
Tiny, casual, confident. Mini dialogue. Act it out with me, you're in a lively bazaar. Smile, eyebrows up, gentle hand counting gesture. You, namaste, this scarf looks great.
की कीमत कितनी है?
Seller, 800.
रुपया.
You, a bit.
महंगा.
Any.
छूट.
Seller, okay, special price 700. You, deal, please give a.
रसीद.
Narrator you, victory lap through the.
बाजार.
With style. Quick vocab. Speed boost your shopping words, tiny words, big wins. Price.
कीमत.
Cost.
दाम.
Expensive.
महंगा.
Cheap.
सस्ता.
Discount.
छूट.
Rupee.
रुपया.
Market.
बाजार.
Receipt.
रसीद.
Culture tip. Tiny politeness, big savings, and better vibes. Start with a greeting.
नमस्ते.
Then ask your question. Add please with.
कृपया.
Or be extra polite with.
माफ कीजिए.
Before.
की कीमत कितनी है?
Smile, keep it friendly, and your bargaining power rises. Quiz time. Quick checks, answer out loud. Ready? Q1. Say how much does cost? In Hindi, the standard way. A.
की कीमत कितनी है?
Q2. Faster, casual version. A.
कितने का है?
Q3. Use the word for discount. Say any discount? A.
छूट.
E.g.
कोई छूट?
Q4. Ask for a receipt. A.
रसीद.
E.g.
रसीद दीजिए.
Challenge. Your turn. Make it real and a little silly. At home, point to 3 items and ask with eyebrow raise and money counting gesture.
की कीमत कितनी है?
Then try the variants.
का दाम कितना है?
And.
कितने का है?
Finally, role play a bazaar, toss in.
महंगा. सस्ता. छूट. रुपया.
Make your price tag mascot cheer. Wrap up. You did great, your wallet just high-fived you. Today you learned how much does cost equals
की कीमत कितनी है?
plus handy variants and market vocab. Keep practicing in short bursts, and you'll sound smooth in any.
बाजार.
Thanks for listening. This podcast was brought to you by Synapse Lingo. For more lessons, transcripts, and fun drills, visit www.synapse-lingo.com. See you next time.